Hi folks, this is Makran. I'm CTO at Wohler. And I'd like to introduce to you our audio series of products of Wohler monitors. So these monitors are our classic, aligned with our classic philosophy of building transitional units that will do baseband signaling in addition to the IP signaling, next generation IP signaling like 2110, Dante, Ravenna, all of that stuff. We have here two products that are audio exclusive products, 16 channel units, 1RU and 2RU. Both these products are capable of doing loudness in addition to Dolby decoding. And they have this comprehensive rear panel which has got BNC, MADI fiber, AES, as well as analog. We have an option card here in an option slot that could do additional analog monitoring, 16 channels of analog, or AOIP, Dante or Ravenna signaling. Both these units come with the usual high quality Wohler audio speakers and sound and a touch screen. Both of these also have a web interface. And so, they're in line with all the existing video products that we also build. In addition to these 16 channel units, we are also introducing an 8 channel unit this year at NAB. This is again for people who are looking to create a mix of monitoring stations, where they're looking for some stations which are a little more budget sensitive. And so it's basically the same rear panel. It's just that this is an 8 channel unit, but it has all the same capabilities like Dolby decoding as well as loudness, and the same touch screen and similar speakers. This also has a web interface, which means you can monitor these units remotely. In addition to these touchscreen interface units, we have a couple of units that you may be familiar with in the past, which are spot check monitoring units. So this is basically a 16 channel spot check monitor, which allows you to do a quick check, volume check as well as audio check on up to 16 channels at a time. And this is an 8 channel version of the same thing. Again, a very similar rear panel with AES, MADI, SFP for 2110, as well as Dante and Ravenna capabilities. So this is sort of our comprehensive audio-only product series.